I think first thing to do is to introduce Blaine. Blaine is one of our finishing technicians who continues to excel in the quality of his work. He's also an amazing guitarist. But anyway, I came in this morning to the lab and just happened to pass Blaine's desk and suddenly saw the quality of the finish that he was doing with the lesion accommodation here, which is made in cork, and how he's beveled it into the shell, particularly with a built-in metatarsal pad in our 3D printed sustainable plant-based range. And he's also beveled in this pour on heel pad absolutely beautifully. Do you want to make any comments on that, Blaine, or just it is what it is?
Well, I'd say the one thing that'd be most difficult about this is because it's a 1.5 cushion cork lesion accommodation. Is when you're beveling here around the built-in metatarsal pad.
It's tricky, yeah.
It can be quite hard not to have a drop off there, but
a ridge, yeah.
If you take your time.
Well, it's absolutely amazing, and then even this here, so this is a sort of first met accommodation so that it sits flush. It isn't going to rock, where some cutouts the whole device will rock.
Yeah.
And so the design actually has a plantar flex first ray in the shell. Lovely flat base on the heel post here. It makes it nice and neat for fitting in the shoe. And then the pour on heel pad, is that 1.5? Yeah, 1.5. So again, 1.5, amazing to get that bevel. Just incredible work, Blaine. I just couldn't help call it for what it is. Incredible. Thank you.